Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Dell Inspiron 353515 6-inch FHD laptop, a practical machine built for everyday productivity and entertainment. This laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD display with an anti-glare coating, giving you clear visuals whether you're working on documents, attending online classes, or streaming your favorite shows. The screen stays comfortable to view even during longer sessions. Under the hood, it's powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor paired with 8 GB of RAM and a fast 512 GB SSD. That combination delivers smooth multitasking, quick boot times, and responsive performance for daily tasks like web browsing, office work, and light photo editing. The lift hinge design creates a more natural typing angle, and the backlit keyboard with a numeric keypad is especially useful for spreadsheets or late-night work. Comfort View technology also helps reduce blue light to ease eye strain. You'll find a solid selection of ports for connecting peripherals, and adaptive thermal features help keep the system cool during use. While integrated graphics aren't meant for heavy gaming or advanced video editing, for general use, this laptop offers dependable performance and strong overall value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.